At AllianceBlock, we are bridging traditional finance and DeFi to create the future of finance. We are building a new financial system, one that reflects how we believe the traditional financial system would look today if it was being built from scratch. This new system will be powered by the AllianceBlock protocol, which is formed of a number of independent but interconnecting products. A blockchain is a self-contained system. There are no built-in mechanisms to allow different networks to collaborate. This limits the potential of blockchain applications, leaving them tied to a single chain. It's vital to be able to bridge together multiple chains to push blockchain technology forward. Blockchain bridges are being created every day. However, they only support EVM-compatible chains, creating incompatibility between blockchain networks. With multiple bridges in the industry, the same token can have multiple wrapped versions in another chain, scattering conditions for the space, making interoperability even harder to achieve. AllianceBridge is open source, fully audited, more secure, faster, and more decentralized than any industry standard. Our bridge is chain agnostically designed for our DeFi products to be extendable to multiple chains. AllianceBridge supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, and Polygon, with more chains being integrated continually. AllianceBridge's bespoke architecture is built from scratch and aligns with the trustless nature of blockchain. Using Hedera Consensus Services achieves significant performance optimization, making our bridge faster and more decentralized and transparent than any other bridge. The more validators we have, the more decentralized the bridge becomes. We currently have 3 validators: ourselves, Lime Chain, and Faculty Group, with 2 more in the pipeline and targets for 11 validators by Q4. Transactions via the AllianceBridge will have a fee of 1 ALBT, creating even more token use cases. ALBT is the fuel enabling interoperability between the most prominent blockchains in the world and smaller chains with strong community and developer support. AllianceBridge is accelerating blockchain adoption by offering a gateway for projects developing the DeFi landscape and traditional finance institutions wanting easy access to the opportunities in this nascent industry. Building the future of finance.